Most men destroy sexual tension the moment they feel it. They rush. They confess. They seek permission instead of presence. But sexual tension is not created by asking. It is created by inviting and allowing her to choose. And the moment she feels safe and free to choose, desire grows. Sexual tension is not about tricks. It is about contrast, warmth and restraint, interest and independence, closeness and space. Tension is the emotional electricity between what could happen and what hasn't yet. Tension begins with how you enter a moment. Slow movements, relaxed shoulders, still eyes. When your body is calm, her nervous system softens. And when she feels safe, she becomes curious. Curiosity is the doorway to desire. Sexual tension grows when conversation is not flat. Light teasing, gentle challenges, a smile that says, "I see you." Not approval, not validation. Engagement. You are not trying to impress her. You are letting her feel seen. Most men speak too much. But tension lives in what you don't rush to fill. Hold eye contact 1 second longer. Lower your voice slightly. Let silence breathe. Silence invites emotion to rise. Real tension only exists when she feels free. Free to lean in. Free to step back. Free to change her mind. You never take space. You offer space. And when she chooses to close it, that choice is what makes it powerful. Desire doesn't come from pressure. It comes from presence, from self-control, from warmth without need, from interest without attachment. Build safety. Create polarity. Let her choose. That is sexual tension.